Ready to unlock the future of video creation and bring your visions to life in ways you never thought possible? First, head over to the Google Veo 3 platform. You'll immediately see the text input field, which is where the magic begins. This is where you'll describe the video you want to generate. So let's get descriptive. Include details about the scene, the subject, the lighting, and even the mood you want to evoke. Once you're happy with your description, hit the Generate button. Veo 3 will now process your request. And there you have it. Veo 3 has generated a video based on your text description. Now, let's explore some customization options. Veo 3 offers various style options to further refine your video. You can select options like cinematic, animated, or realistic, each giving your video a distinct look and feel. You can also fine-tune camera movements, such as zoom in, pan left, or tilt up, to add even more dynamic elements to your generated video. See how applying a cinematic style and adding a slow zoom can dramatically enhance the final video. It's all about experimentation to achieve your desired result. Once you are satisfied, simply click the download button to save your new video. So, dive into Google Veo 3. Unleash your creativity and start making videos that truly captivate.